What's up? This is Terrell with Kingz Trading 101, and this is just going to be a quick video that I'm doing to point out the simplicity of our system. And so for this video, I actually have a special guest, and that's going to be my son, my youngest son. He's 11 years old. His name is Aurelius, but we call him AJ. Say hello to everybody, AJ.
Hello.
All right, and so what we're going to actually do in this video, and I'm just going to clean up the charts real quick. Um, is I'm going to hand over the mouse to AJ, and he's going to go through each pair one by one and actually pick out the most recent good signal that we have from our system, and he's going to tell us why. And so, first of all, just to go over the rules real quick, when we get a green arrow, what are we looking for?
White dots.
Okay. And if we get a green arrow and no dots, is that a good signal?
No.
Okay. And if we get a red arrow, what are we looking for?
Black dots.
Okay. And red arrow with no dots?
We'll take it.
Okay, perfect. And when we do get a signal, what bar are we paying attention to?
The previous one.
All right, perfect. And that's because the signal is generated by the close of the previous bar. So, I'm going to hand it over to Aurelius. He's going to control the mouse, and I'm just going to ask him some questions as we go along. So, let's go ahead and zoom in. All right, and so just first off, just looking at it, easy stuff. Are we looking to take red arrows or green arrows?
Green.
Why?
Because of white dots.
Okay, and there's no black dots on the screen at all, right? So we don't even have to really think about taking the red ones, right?
Right.
Okay, so let's find our most recent good signal. Okay, and that was kind of easy, right? Because we have just like a trail of white dots, right?
Yeah.
So, but what if we would have got that signal one bar later, and it would have been the bar after that red one?
We would have still got it.
No, I said after, not before.
Oh, we wouldn't have got it.
We couldn't have taken that, right? Because it had no arrow on it, right? So
Right.
we actually got that signal right on time, right? That was kind of perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. Just because that's the most recent one, let's check the one before that and see if it was good too. The most recent signal that we were going to be looking at with the white dots.
It's good.
Okay, perfect. So we would have had two good signals back to back pretty much, right?
Right.
And as we speak, that bar is going up. What do you know? Good stuff. So let's go to the next one. Good job. Let's zoom in. Alrighty, and are we looking for green arrows or red arrows?
Red.
Why?
Because it's black dots.
Alright, perfect. So show me my most recent good signal. That looks good. What about the one before? Was it good?
Okay.
Kind of looking at the same one. There we go.
Yes.
Okay. So it looks like those black dots just started though. So I want to see if that green one was good.
Okay. This one.
Yeah. Well, do we need to check?
No, because it's a green arrow.
And
Black dots.
we have no white dots, right?
Right.
So even if it was green and it was on one of those bars that didn't have any dots, we still don't take it, right?
Right.
Good job. So it's gonna trick you real quick. All right, so let's go to the next one. All right, and so what are we looking for?
Green arrows. because there's white dots.
Okay, and we have no black dots. So don't even need to worry about the red, right?
Right.
Okay, so let's check and see. The most recent signal, was it good?
Yeah.
All right. What about the one before it? Was it good?
No.
All right. Good job. Okay, let's move on to the next one. And this is our last one. Okay, what are we looking for?
Red arrows.
Okay, why?
Those black dots.
Okay, so let's see. Most recent one I'm looking for, right?
Right. I can't do this one because there's a green arrow on it.
We don't worry about that green arrow,
Oh.
right? Because we have no dots. That's white, right?
Yeah.
So we don't want to overthink it. If there's no white dots, we don't pay attention to green arrows, right?
Right. That's a good one.
Okay. And so what about the one before it?
It's also good.
All right. So just to be clear, even if we have a green arrow pointing up right before our red arrows, does that stop us from getting in a trade?
No.
Okay. The green arrows only mean something if what?
There's white dots.
If we have no white dots on the screen, we don't even pay attention, right?
Right.
Perfect. So, okay, let's go ahead and zoom out. Or minimize the screen, should I say. All right, perfect. So, for everybody watching, that was my 11-year-old kid. I basically just taught him the system about a week ago. He is just getting familiar with looking at charts and stuff like that. And so, yeah, just a week into it, he pretty much has it down. As you can see towards the end, he got a little confused with the green arrows popping up right next to the red arrows. But if you just learn the system, after a good 2-3 weeks of looking at this stuff, it becomes very simple. When we have black dots, we don't even pay attention to the green arrows. When we have white dots, we don't pay attention to the red arrows. It's really simple stuff. And then we're just looking for a previous bar from our signal and going back 26 bars from that. And it's going to let us know if we take the signal or not. And so easy stuff. So we don't need to really drag this video on anymore. I'll go ahead and get out of here. This is Terrell with 7 Kingz Trading 101. You have a good day. Tell them have a good day, bro.
Have a good day.
You guys take care.